How to make a watercolor chart. Here you can see an example. This is the list of colors you will need. From lemon yellow to alizarin crimson, these are the warm and the cool primary colors. By using viridian green and dioxazine purple, you can increase your color choices to almost anything. Make your own grid of 9 squares of 1 centimeter on thick paper as shown here. Mark out the diagonal squares with a cross and leave those free. Write down in the same order the names of the paints you will be using at the side and the top of the chart. Squirt a little of your paint onto a plate in the same order. There are many palettes you can use for watercolor. I find an old porcelain plate works just fine. When painting your watercolor chart, don't paint right to the edge of the box or the colors will bleed into each other. Paint the top and side squares with the basic colors as shown. Don't forget that watercolor dries lighter than you think it will. Keep your watercolor transparent, don't use the paint too thick. Start by using lemon yellow and mix 50% of the other colors to it. Some colors are stronger than others, so the ratio has to be adjusted. When necessary, clean the center of your plate with a damp tissue. Always rinse out your brush when changing colors. The next basic color you should be using is cadmium yellow. Mix 50% of this with all the other colors. Carry on in this way until your color chart is finished. This is a basic color chart that you can use for future reference. Obviously, if you change the ratio, you change the color. When you've finished making your color chart and there is still paint left on the edge of your plate, you can still use it by re-wetting it, so don't throw it away. If you want more information or inspiration, go and take a look at DutchArtBox.com.